Hello YouTube. Today we got a 2001 BMW 323i. We installed the stereo, but there's no sound. So what we we came to the back and look at the amp on the left rear trunk. We found there's no amplifier. So today we are going to bypass the amplifier and make the customer happy. The customer is gonna go back with sounds. So this is the first thing we're gonna do is running the 9-wire conductor. Basically it's kind of hard to run it on this side, the driver's side, so he's gonna run it on the passenger side and to the back. So here, running the 9-wire conductor right there. It's gonna go underneath there, and back here, and he's gonna try to find a hole to go to the back. Basically he's gonna pull the seat out. You just pop it right out, and we're gonna try to run the wire through here right there. I'm gonna go to the back and kind of see if we could pull this thing out where this power wire right here is at. See that power right there? So we're gonna try to. Why don't you just pull that off instead of do that in case, because that's power. Just let's pull that. Yeah. What he's gonna do, well, what he done already, he's basically pulled that rubber boot right there. Push it in or pull it out, whatever. It's not gonna hurt anything. He pushed that right out there. He's gonna tape the wire and pull it back straight out. Should be good. Now he's taping that wire, the 9-wire conductor, and then you just pull it straight back. Hey, I'm gonna pull it for you. Now I'm gonna pull it like that. It's hard because it'd be hard to find a hole. Let me see. Try it. Yeah, that's good. Right there. So now he's gonna put everything. So right now at the moment I'm trying to peel this thing out. Either you can peel it out like this, or you take a knife and score it like this to open it like that. That's what I'll be doing. I've got only one hand, so I'm gonna be doing that. I just strip all the wires. So you should, the reason they call 9-wire conductor, because it is 9 wire. You got all the speaker wire, which is 8, and then you got the blue wire, which is remote wire. You don't need the remote wire on this one. So first of all, I pulled I scored the tape already. I peeled the tape off actually with the knife, or you can just peel it or score it, whatever you call it. But right now I'm gonna check the left front speaker would be blue, white, and blue, brown. I see blue, white, and blue, brown right there. Basically blue, white is going to be a positive. Make sure the speaker's working for them. So the blue, white is going to go on the white, and then the blue, brown is going to go on the white, black, because it's negative. Now I'm going to go to the right front. So I got blue, red. I hook it up to the gray wire from the wiring horn, from the 9-wire conductor, and then blue, brown. I hook it up to the negative. So at the moment right now, I got the left rear would be green. I'm hooking up to the yellow, and then green, black. I'm hooking up to the brown, because green, black is negative. This is left rear. So the last one is gonna be the right rear. So it's a purple wire. So I'm hooking up the purple wire to the blue, to the blue of the OEM, and then I got the brown is negative. As always, BMW, the brown wire usually a ground or a negative. So now I'm gonna go up front. So I got the mounting kit right here, which is the model. I forgot the model number. Hold on. So I got the mounting kit is 9300. That is for a it's a Metra harness, BMW 3 Series 1999 to 06 or M3 2001 to 06. No navigation. So all of these will fit the same way. And then I got the actually the customer didn't need it, but I just want to show it to you. It's an antenna adapter made by Metra. It's a cheaper version. It's an ADVW1. It's about $12 to $15 for that. Customer doesn't need it, so I'm not gonna put that in. And as this is a mounting kit right here, and this is the wire, the 9-wire conductor that that was installed, that was ran back over here. So we're gonna hook up the same color. Basically, you got white, gray, purple, green. Just hook it up to the same color. They all same color. So push it back here a little bit and push the bracket right here. I don't think you have to do anything because you can't really push it down right here because it's all of this a flat surface right here. So right now I'm gonna put this plug back in. I ran the wire. I got yellow, I got black, and I got red. You don't have to hook up the blue wire. So put that in the right spot. Pull it, push it back that way first. So let's see if it's the right hole. Okay. Push that in and then push that forward right there. Should cool it. It's soft. Yep, right there. And then push it down inside, back in there. It don't have to be that far because the radio is only it's called push that in like so. Make sure it's all the way in because you don't want to come out. Push it in like that, just like that, and then that going in, and then maybe like that, just screw it in. This one should work right there. We're not going to show you any music because YouTube will cut us off. Voila, the radio's done and it's got sounds. You can hear the sound. That is 2001 BMW 300 series 3 series. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you how to remove this plastic panel right here. You basically take don't try to use a flat head. Just try to use something like rubbery flat and push this out here like this and pop it open like this. Just keep moving like that and that. It should be pop off. Same as this. And then you got 2 screws right here on this side right there, and then on this side, and that's the way it goes. Pretty simple to install, but this one is different from all the other YouTube that they install just a regular basic install. This is more advanced, and sorry I didn't explain everything, how to do this, how to move this, how to move that. I'm just kind of basic ideas of how to get it all working. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.